Does it really matter what haircut a person has if they get 100% on every cyber security assignment that they do over a 6-month period? Of course not. So that's the change work that we're engaged in, changing perceptions about what talent looks like. And then when the companies experience it, they say, of course, why didn't we think of this before? This is great. The mission of Year Up is to close the opportunity divide for young adults 18 to 24 who have a high school degree or GED but are not persisting in college and not working a livable wage job. And our mission is to connect these talented young adults to the market demand for middle skill workers who have technical skills and soft skills that companies really need. Young adults come into our program and there's a rigorous admissions process, and then we train them for 6 months in what we call learning and development. These are the kind of skills that I hear from CEOs that they're looking for in their staff. Year Up is different from most workforce development organizations. We serve our young adults by meeting the market for middle skill talent. We talk to companies about where are you experiencing turnover and how can we craft a solution to meet your specific need.
Year Up thinks differently about where talent comes from. A trait that I noticed from every student is how hungry they are. They're just hungry to get out there and grow.
They're bringing a new set of perspectives, different ways of problem solving, all the things that companies are looking for. What they lack is an opportunity. That's why we're here.
Year Up prepared me very well, not only with the technical skills that I'm learning for my IT career, but also with my soft skills.
What's really important is actually putting them in the workplace, having them interact with the corporate environment and being comfortable in that space so they're confident when they move forward.
We're very passionate about serving underrepresented youth and bringing a diverse perspective. Those thoughts are definitely valued and needed within the workplace.
Year Up Chicago has the capacity to make a major impact on the trajectory of our city. Our students go back into the neighborhoods where they live every night, and they themselves are an example that there's another way to do this.
Growing up, we only see what's around us and we feel like that's all that's for us. That's why when I heard about Year Up, I was like, I need to take this opportunity. I've learned a lot about myself and my own capabilities. Anything I put my mind to, I can literally do.
When the company sees the talent, sees the transformation that it can have within their own company, and they get on board, anything can happen.